go. Water filter for my LG refrigerator. I'll show you how to change it. Refocus right there. Yep, water filter for the LG refrigerator. Got a 4-pack of these for about, I think, $20. If you're getting that blinking light or a solid light on a change filter, it's time to change your water filter. Go ahead and pull the refrigerator. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the water source. And in this house, it's just right behind the refrigerator. And in some homes, they're actually in your basement. So, just lucky it's right here. We'll go ahead and push it back in so I could open the door and replace the filter. And here's my Chuck Norris joke for the day. Here we go. Push. There it is. Pull it down. And just pull out. Let me get the new one in. Just a quick comparison. Push it in. No twisting needed. Just push it all the way in and lift up. And that's it. Push it in. You kind of feel a little snap, and that's that O-ring on the filter itself. And once you push it all the way in, just lift up and it will lock it in place. And that's how you replace it. Turn on your water source again. Open this up. See if you have any leaks. So hang tight. We'll double check. I'll go ahead and pull the refrigerator out of the way again and turn on the water source. Okay, hang tight. I got the water source on, back on. There's no leak. So it's perfect. So there you have it. We are good there. The last thing you need to do is to reset the water filter counter or the warning light. All you have to do is keep pressing this button. And that's it. Here's the actual manual. It's telling you to run the water from the dispenser for 6 to 8 minutes, about 3 to 4 gallons. See that little sputtering? You'll probably see carbon in the water as well, so I would say 4 to 6 minutes, maybe 4 to 8 minutes. Take a look at that. Charcoal. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it very much. If you like the video, click thumbs up. And I'd appreciate it if you subscribe and click that notification bell. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a good one.